I've photographed Usain Bolt quite a few times, and he's got an astonishing gift. And the last time I photographed him, I held the door open for him, and he looked at me and went, "Oh, you again." I'm, from this little village in Dorset, and to be recognised by somebody that famous is, not exactly a mark of success, but it's a nice moment. I've been doing this for quite a while, and you need to stay inspired. And the only way sometimes you can really feel inspired is, yes, do beautiful commission work, but also keeping your passion alive with your own projects and stuff that is driven by you is really, really important, to stay in love with what is a beautiful art form. Because if you just did what other people are asking you to do, yes, you might well have loads of money, but it would send you pretty crackers, I think. What I really liked about Plymouth was it's right next to Cornwall, it's on the south coast. I didn't feel ready to tackle London, to be honest, and I just wanted to knuckle down quietly and get on with it. But it had a fantastic facility, obviously a great staff, and it was just, the feel felt right for what I needed, and immediately, My favourite bit of advice is the Helsinki bus station theory. It's proven very good for me, and maybe we should leave it there, and people who are curious should look up the Helsinki bus station theory.